Hi guys, this video is all about how you can help make changes around your home to help save life as we know it on Earth. So, if you've got a kettle like this, you can buy a filter. A filter is to stop all the nasties and plastics getting in our water. So yeah, you heard right. We drink plastics and eat plastics. So filter is good. You could buy energy-saving light bulbs. You could also switch off your lights when you're not using them and when you're not in the room. In the day, open your blinds or curtains so the natural light comes in, and do the opposite in the evening. Close your blinds or curtains so the warmth stays in the room. This is a double win. As well as saving the environment, you also save money on your bills. Keep doors shut to keep the warmth in. Before putting the heating on, try putting an extra layer of clothing on to keep warm, or a blanket. Dry your clothes on a washing line or a clothes horse instead of using a tumble dryer. Cut down on plastics. For example, in the bathroom, you can use a bamboo toothbrush or an electric toothbrush instead of a plastic one. You could put double or triple glazing on your windows. Could also have solar panels on your roof. Switch things off at the plugs when you're not using them, such as toasters, the kettle, microwaves, lamps. Turn taps off to save water when they're not in use. If you've got any suggestions on how you can help make changes around your home to save life as we know it on earth. Write them down here.